Okay, so this is going to be our first look at word problems. And there's two parts to this, but I'm going to go ahead and do both of these parts, again, using my same 4 steps. So the question says the table below shows the commute times for a particular route to work with the average speed given in miles per hour and the total time given in hours. So it says write a function that relates the speed and the time it takes to drive home. Well, if it's asking for a function rule, that's step 3. Then it says, what would your average speed need to be to drive home in 50 minutes or 5, 6, 7 hour? So this one applies to step 4. So in order to answer these questions, I have to complete all 4 steps. So my first step is my variation rule. Well, I have to decide what type of variation are we looking at. So notice how my x's are getting bigger, and notice how my y's are getting smaller. Okay, and if it helps, you can call this x and you can call this y, or you can keep it the letters that you see. So increasing and decreasing, so this has to be inverse variation. So y equals k over x, but in this case, s equals k over t. Speed is equal to the constant divided by the time. So now step 2, find k. So I'm going to plug in. So when my speed is 60, my time is 1/6. And just like we've been doing, to undo division, we use multiplication. So I'm going to multiply these two. So 60 times 1/6, or a sixth of 60, is 10. So k is equal to 10. So now step 3 is my function rule. So s is equal to 10 divided by t. My speed is equal to 10 divided by the time. And so now my last step, so here's my function rule. And now my last step, step 4, says what's going to be your average speed. So we're trying to find s when we have a time of 50 minutes or 5, 6, 7 hour. So I'm going to plug it in. S is equal to 10 divided by 5, 6. Type that into your calculator, and you get a speed equal to 12 miles per hour. Okay, so we've got 2 more problems. I'm not going to worry about problem 6. 2 more problems that we're going to look at, and then you guys are going to have some practice to go along with this.